Hello friends, welcome back to Best Product. If you are looking to tidy up your workspace and boost your charging speeds, you are in the right place. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 best Qi2.2 25-watt magnetic wireless charger to keep all your daily devices powered up effortlessly. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Essager Qi2.2 25-watt magnetic wireless charger. Essager Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger completely transforms the way you power your daily devices by offering a smart 3-in-1 charging solution. Instead of dealing with multiple messy cords tangling up your workspace, this elegant stand lets you power up your smartphone, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds all at the exact same time. It keeps your desktop or nightstand completely tidy and organized without the hassle of untangling separate cables. Speed is a major priority for this device. The Essager Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger provides a true 25 watts of output, giving you 5 times faster charging speeds compared to standard wireless pads. Because it features Qi2.2 certified fast charging, a low battery is no longer a stressful worry. You simply place your phone on the stand and get enough power in just a few short minutes to keep you connected throughout your busy day. Wireless charging can sometimes generate unwanted heat, but Essager solves this problem with an advanced cooling and heat dissipation system. This smart technology keeps your phone comfortably cool while it receives power. By managing the temperature effectively, it protects your battery health over the long term and drastically reduces power loss. This ensures your devices always receive safe and full-speed charging consistently. Attaching your phone is incredibly simple thanks to the strong magnetic snap-to-charge feature. The charger is embedded with powerful N52 magnets that automatically grab your device the second you hold it near the surface. These premium magnets ensure precise alignment every single time, giving an instant connection for uninterrupted power. You never have to wake up and realize your phone did not charge because it was placed slightly off-center. To make this accessory even more appealing, the Essager Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger features a beautiful built-in ambient light. This and soothing illumination creates a peaceful and gentle atmosphere in your room. It is perfect for a bedroom nightstand because it provides just enough light to see your surroundings in the dark without keeping you awake at night. This charger from Essager is an outstanding addition to any desk. Next, at number 4, is the Toocki Qi2.2 25-watt magnetic wireless charger. Toocki Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger is a brilliant 3-in-1 desktop charging station designed to keep your essential devices powered up and your workspace completely organized. If you are tired of dealing with messy cables, this modern stand allows you to wirelessly charge your smartphone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at the exact same time. By bringing everything together, it helps you embrace true simplicity and maintain a perfectly neat and tidy environment on your office desk or your bedroom nightstand. When it comes to performance, this device delivers impressive speeds with up to 25 watts of wireless rapid charging. This significantly enhances your daily charging efficiency, ensuring your devices get the boost they need without a long wait. Because of its 1-for-3 higher efficiency design, you can power up 3 different devices at once. You no longer have to wait in line for one gadget to finish charging before plugging in the next. This saves you valuable time during a busy morning or right before you head out. One of the most unique features of the Toocki Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger is its smart cable management system. It comes equipped with a 70-centimeter built-in retractable power cable. You simply pull and extend the cord to the perfect length to reach your wall outlet and enjoy convenient wireless power. When it is time to pack up, the cable retracts smoothly back into the base, hiding any leftover wire clutter. To ensure peak performance, Toocki even includes a powerful 45 watts wall charger in the package. This station is perfectly engineered for effortless travel. The entire charging stand features a highly adjustable and fully foldable design. When you are ready to hit the road, it folds down compactly so you can easily slip it into your laptop bag, backpack, or carry-on luggage. It fits effortlessly into small spaces, making it a perfect grab-and-go companion for business trips or weekend vacations. The Toocki Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger delivers a smart, fast, and portable way to keep all your daily electronics fully charged. Coming in at number 3, we have the Ugreen Magflow Qi2.2 25 watt magnetic wireless charger. Ugreen Magflow Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger provides a fast and efficient way to power up your devices while keeping your workspace completely clutter-free. This smart charger ensures your iPhone 17 or 16 Pro Max charges quickly and efficiently. With a maximum output of 20 watts, you get reliable speed, and the secure magnetic alignment ensures your phone always stays exactly where it needs to be for consistent power delivery. One of the best aspects of this device is its clever 2-in-1 design. It includes a built-in spot for your earphones, allowing you to charge your smartphone and earbuds at the same time. This combination means you only need one compact device on your desk to keep all your daily essentials ready to go. It is a fantastic way to simplify your charging setup without losing any performance. If you are always on the move, the Ugreen Magflow Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger is a perfect companion. It features a foldable design that makes it easy to carry in your bag. Whether traveling for work or commuting, you can take it with you without any extra bulk. It offers the same great performance wherever you plug it in. The rocket-style magnetic design is another standout feature. This precise alignment system ensures that your device snaps into place instantly every time. There is no guessing or adjusting required. You just place the phone down and it locks onto the charger perfectly for uninterrupted charging. This level of precision is exactly what you want for a worry-free experience. To keep you informed, the charger includes a smart charging indicator. This light provides real-time feedback on your charging status, helping you monitor power delivery at a glance. You will always know if your device is charging properly, which adds confidence to your routine. Furthermore, the charger is designed with a universal Type-C connector. This makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, allowing for seamless integration with your modern tech ecosystem. By combining fast charging, a foldable and portable build, precise magnetic alignment, and a smart indicator, the Ugreen Magflow Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger offers a streamlined, efficient, and clutter-free experience for any tech user. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Crownqu Qi2.2 25 watt magnetic wireless charger. Crownqu Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger is a beautifully designed 3-in-1 metal wireless charging station that brings premium style and high performance straight to your desk. With its ability to charge your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once, this sleek metallic charger removes the need for multiple tangled cables. This keeps your nightstand or office workspace completely clean and organized while looking incredibly modern. The design of this charger is truly remarkable. It features craftsmanship inspired by the elegant curves of an iMac, including a beautiful golden ratio arc angle that gives it a luxurious appearance. Beyond its stunning looks, it is also highly practical and mini-portable. Measuring just 2.5 centimeters in thickness and weighing a very light 230.5 grams, it easily slides into your bag or backpack, making it the perfect travel companion for work trips or vacations. Performance is top tier thanks to Qi2.2 certified 25 watts wireless fast charging. This technology ensures that your devices power up incredibly fast, completely eliminating your daily battery anxiety. To make charging even safer, the Crownqu Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger is equipped with auto temperature control technology. This intelligent system manages the heat generated during use, keeping your devices cool to protect their long-term battery health while maintaining maximum charging speed. To further improve efficiency, this charger features real-time detection and simultaneous adjustment through AI super-fast charging technology. The internal artificial intelligence chip actively monitors the power flow to your devices, adjusting the current in real time to ensure the charging process is faster and much more stable. The Crownqu 2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger offers broad full system support, working seamlessly with phone models from iPhone 8 all the way up to the iPhone 16 series. For older devices like the iPhone 8 through 11, you simply need to equip them with a magnetic sticker to enjoy the perfect snap-on magnetic alignment. This charger delivers an amazing combination of premium metallic aesthetics, highly portable design, and brilliant AI-powered fast charging technology. And finally, our top pick for the Ugreen Qi2.2 25-watt magnetic wireless charger. Ugreen Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger brings ultra-fast power and a streamlined design right to your workspace, helping you keep your essential devices ready without messy cable clutter. This Ugreen Magflow 2-in-1 charging station is built to simplify your daily routine by powering up your smartphone and your wireless earbuds at the same time. Combining two chargers into one sleek stand creates a clutter-free experience that looks fantastic on any desk or nightstand. Speed is a massive advantage with this device. It features ultra-fast 25 watts magnetic charging, delivering incredible performance when you are running low on battery. This powerful output can charge highly demanding devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max up to 50% in a surprisingly short amount of time. You no longer have to wait around for hours just to get a usable charge before heading out the door. To make this high-speed charging as efficient as possible, Ugreen included a smart power management system. This intelligent feature automatically adjusts the power output for each device you place on the stand. It ensures your phone and earbuds receive the exact amount of power they need for maximum charging efficiency, safely reducing wasted energy. When you place your phone on the stand, you will notice how secure it feels. The charger is packed with 17 powerful magnets that work together to deliver a massive 9 newtons of gripping force. Because of this strong hold, your phone snaps tight and stays exactly where you put it. You can confidently tap your screen or dismiss an alarm without worrying about the phone slipping off the mount. Safety is heavily prioritized in the Ugreen Qi2.2 25 watts magnetic wireless charger. It comes equipped with thermal guard technology, which actively monitors the internal temperature 200 times every single second. This constant checking prevents your devices from getting too hot, effectively protecting your battery health. On top of this temperature control, the station features 8 complete layers of protection, giving you peace of mind against power surges every time you snap your phone into place. That wraps up our list of the best desktop charging stations available today. If you are ready to upgrade your setup, be sure to check the price link in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome tech reviews and recommendations. See you in the next one.